I just feel so stressed.
My back still hurts. I feel like I've been wasting mental energy on something that's not working.
Some say you could break a bad habit in 21 days. We're testing this theory by following real people on their journey to break real bad habits and create healthier ones. Will they succeed? This is 21 Days.
My name is Nikki, I'm 29 years old, and in 21 days I would like to fix my posture and feel confident.
That's how I would like to stand naturally, but I'm like here.
My profession is a sketch comedy writer and producer, so because of that I'm constantly sitting at a computer, writing, editing, at my office or at home. A lot of sitting. I'm a very type A person, so I put myself on imaginary deadlines that don't exist, but to me it feels like the most important thing. And now that I'm actually seeing momentum in what I'm doing, it's an added layer of pressure to just constantly be working. I get a lot of headaches from my bad posture. I also carry a lot of tension in my shoulders, which makes my shoulders creep up, and my butt sometimes will take quite some time to awaken from its slumber. I'm not outside all that much. I'm outside when I walk my dogs, and I'm outside when I'm walking to and from my car to go work. I think just sitting down all day is exhausting, not just from working, but just not moving, no blood flow. What I want out of the 21-day transformation is not only to change all of that physical stuff, but mentally I would like to have a more fulfilled life and a balance, enjoying nature a little bit more and feel a little bit more confident.
Day one. Check it out, look what I got. It's a little posture device and it vibrates when you slouch. So I think I have to download an app. I'm gonna put this on in the bathroom and then come and calibrate it. This is me before my 21 days, just ape-like. It's hard to do. That looks fine. I'm gonna be here soon, just regal. Okay, it's time to calibrate. Calibrating. Oh, that was so fast. I'm gonna just try and edit a little bit. My back still hurts. I don't know about this thing. It is officially the end of day one. This thing, it has not stopped vibrating. This is just hilarious. 47%. I guess I have a lot more work than I thought I did. I have a lot of work to do. It's hard to focus when all you're trying to do is just think about sitting up straight. Is this good? I don't know. I'm done after 6 hours. I'm at 56% today, which is better. It's like my back muscles are tired from trying to sit up straight. Okay, it is the end of another very long day of editing and I'm not feeling super stoked. My posture trainer says I have 58%, which is like the same pretty much as it was. My back still hurts, my butt is still falling asleep. I'm just frustrated because I feel like I'm like just doing all of this for no reward. So I think it would probably be wise if I tried to contact someone to get some professional help, because right now I'm frustrated, I'm sad, like I feel like I've been wasting mental energy on something that's not working.
Hi, I'm Dr. Abby Allen. I'm here to help you today. What can I do?
So I'm on the computer editing for upwards of like 8 hours at a time, and I have horrible posture. And this new cool thing started happening where my butt just falls asleep out of nowhere. And I just don't know what I should do about it.
We call this posture kyphosis. That's the medical term for it. And fortunately, you do not have kyphosis that is, needs some severe medical treatment, surgery, etc. The kyphosis that you have is all postural, but you really don't want to start trending in the direction of kyphosis and end up 40, 50, 60, 70 years old and kind of stooped over.
Yeah.
And you have something called dead butt syndrome, which sounds a little bizarre. It's a colloquial way of saying you're sitting down too long. You said 8 hours at a stretch, and a lot of us are doing that right now. And the nerves are actually being pressed on too long. So you have to stand up to wake up.
Okay.
I am going to give you some exercises. They are quick things to work on your posture, your core, and stretching your hamstring. Doing these strengthening kind of stretches should really help you in the acute term and then in your whole life too. And I think you should at least stand up, every 30 minutes. Set a little timer on your phone or something and stand up for 1 to 5 minutes while you're working. Even if you stand up for 1 minute, just do it so you start feeling better.
Okay, I'm sold. You have great posture, so I'm inclined to take your advice. I got this, it's like a posture trainer. And you put it on your back and it like Caesar Milans you and like vibrates. Is this good? Should I be using this?
If it works, it works. And if it doesn't, the only thing you're hurting is your wallet. And so I say go for it.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
Nice meeting you.
You too. Wish me luck.
Today, I'm gonna set some alarms for myself to get up and take a break. Have my posture device on. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully my metrics on my app will get a little bit better. Every 20 minutes, I'm setting an alarm for. I'm gonna snooze it because I'm so close. This feels so good. I think that's good. Back to work. I just finished all my work. I do feel like I'm not slouching as much as I was. Like, look at me. 65%, y'all. Let's go. I'm just hoping that I can keep getting better. Working from home today. I'm embracing taking breaks. Break number 2 time.
She's not at the computer. She's just on the ground with you. Taking a break, getting licked in the mouth. Oh, I need to do this more. Oh my god, there's so many kisses. I love breaks. I only want to take breaks from now on.
I'm done for the day. I feel like my thing is vibrating a lot less. Feeling good, I guess, all things considered. I have a lot of work to do, so I'm a little bit nervous that I'm just gonna fall back into my old habits. And I've made a conscious effort to take breaks and get up and move, which has been really challenging for me because I don't like to stop in the middle of something. But I have to because this is my health. It's gonna be worth it in the long run. Today, my goal is to not let myself sit here for more than 4 hours. And after 4 hours, doesn't matter if I finish what I'm doing or not, I'm just gonna have to be okay with it. It is the end of my 4 hours. Good news is my app says that I'm doing a lot better, making a lot more improvements as far as my slouching. I've been doing the stretches, getting up. My butt is not as asleep as it once was, which is really nice. So I think physically, I'm actually starting to see improvements, but for some reason, mentally, I just feel like as wound up and as stressed as I did before. The physical benefits are not bleeding into the psychological benefits like I thought they would.
Hi, what's going on?
Good news. I've been following all of the exercises. I've been taking the breaks. I've been doing all of the stretches. Bad news is I just feel so stressed, and I don't know, I carry all of my tension in my shoulders, and so I'm having less back pain, but I just kind of feel like more tense, more anxious physically, if that makes any sense at all.
A lot of mental anxiety, anything like that does tend to express itself in the neck, back, etc. And you pointed out your shoulders. And that trapezius kind of pain is where people feel stress. So I think some of this is, okay, yeah, maybe we can work on your posture. Maybe we can work on your hamstring stretches. But the bottom line is that we need to, take away the stress too. So listen, you honestly seem like someone who's very hard on yourself and that you follow things to a T. I said 1 to 5 minutes. You did 1 to 5 minutes. And I think it's just not about just going through the motions. You need to actively participate in it and maybe make it a little longer this time around. What is it that you like to do?
Other than work.
Yes.
I like to be outside and spend time with my dogs.
I think that's great. I think you should integrate that into your routine. I think integrating something that's wellness, mindfulness, something that makes you happy, you will end up being more productive with your work, which is what you want anyway, and you'll feel better.
Okay. All right. At this point, honestly, I'm willing to try anything.
Yeah.
And this seems like I get to just go spend some time with my dogs. Like, I'm in.
Yeah. Well, good luck.
Thank you so much again. I really appreciate it.
I feel pretty excited about this new insight she's given me on what to do. It seems so simple. Just go outside and spend time with my dogs, which I love doing. Like I said, I'm gonna try anything, so this seems like the easiest and most fun thing to try. I feel inspired to get outside after my talk with Dr. Allen yesterday.
Hi! Oh, hi, pretty girl. Time for stretching. I like breaks.
I have my posture trainer on, and wouldn't you know, it's a 78%. Not mad at that. Yeah, that's proof. It keeps going up every day. I feel like one day I might actually get to close to 100.
It's been just so nice to just get outside. Like, even if I just take a quick walk to the end of the block, it's rejuvenating. It's a gorgeous day outside, and I never would have known that. I feel like I'm having like a little epiphany in my life.
Day 17, nearing the end, you guys. I feel happy. My boyfriend even is like, wow, look at you, it's working. I'm like, I know.
Out walking with the dogs. It is a gorgeous day. My posture trainer is and has been barely buzzing. My butt feels like it's been resurrected. I feel like a new woman. Is that cliche? I'm okay with it.
I would like to show you something that I'm incredibly proud of. It's a big 95% upright. I feel good. I can't believe it.
I never in my wildest dreams imagined that something so simple like my posture and getting outside would make such an impact. I just feel really grateful. You start doing yoga, you know.
It is officially day 21. I took the day off work to celebrate and just live in the moment.
This way.
The past 21 days have meant more to me than I anticipated. I thought it was going to be a cakewalk. It was not, but it has been more rewarding than I ever thought it possibly could be. Right now, I'm not even thinking about my posture, which is such an incredible change. My butt feels great, my back feels great. I feel so confident. This journey has taught me how to prioritize my physical and mental health. I didn't realize how much I was only thinking about work and not taking in any of the other things in my life. And life is beautiful, and it's worth putting down the work and just going outside and being with the things you love.